Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chicken salad with eggs. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 2 cups of cooked chicken and 4 hard-boiled eggs. Make sure your chicken is completely cooled and shredded or diced. Then, peel and finely chop your hard-boiled eggs, preparing them for the mix. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's combine our main ingredients. Place the shredded chicken and chopped hard-boiled eggs into a large mixing bowl. Next, add your mayonnaise. Start with about 1/2 cup and mix well, adding more if you prefer a creamier texture. For a subtle tang, stir in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This creates the delicious base of your salad. With the base mixed, it's time to season and customize. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as you go. For a delightful crunch and freshness, stir in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. You can also elevate the flavor with fresh herbs like dill or parsley. These additions truly make the salad your own. Finally, for the best flavor, chill your chicken salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy it on your favorite bread, with crackers, or as a lighter option in lettuce cups. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.